Hey, what up, y'all? It's Griff, man. It's week 3 in the NFL. Let's get right into my picks. The New York Giants take on the Carolina Panthers in Carolina. I'm going with the Giants. Eli throw 250 in the fourth. I'm sure he could throw it in the half. St. Louis go to the Bears on Sundays. Easy win for Chicago, maybe. Buffalo has Cleveland in Cleveland. The Browns look decent, but I'm going to pick Buffalo in that game. The Tampa Bay Buccaneers, who disrespected the hell out of the Giants in that victory formation, go to the Dallas Cowboys, and they will lose in Dallas. Oh, yeah. Jacksonville in Indiana. I got Indiana. Andrew Luck is a problem. Nobody want to say it out loud, but that young boy from Stanford, East Palo Alto School, is a problem. The Jets go to Miami. The way Miami just did the Raiders, I'm sure they're not going to do that to the Jets. Let's see if Tebow can start in that game. The San Francisco 49ers go to Minnesota, and Jimbo, your team is going to take a giant L, making the Fairy Niners 3-0. New Orleans hosts the Kansas City Chiefs. It's like this. The Saints got to win this game. They said the fans is bringing voodoo and chicken wings and bones and dust to throw at the team. I got New Orleans. Detroit in Tennessee. Chris Johnson hates the NFL. I got Detroit. The Redskins host the Bengals. RG3 is the truth. Derek Pearson, I'm going with your boys. Philadelphia in Arizona. Philly in that order. Atlanta go to San Diego and take on my homeboy Takeo Spikes. They was calling the Falcons defense soft, not no more. I got the Chargers. Falcon fans gonna be mad at me. It's all good. Houston in Denver. Boo to the Broncos. Let's go, Houston. The New England Patriots take on the Baltimore Ravens in Baltimore. I am going with Baltimore. Say it right now. Green Bay in Seattle. Seattle disrespected the Dallas Cowboys. I got Green Bay. And them Oakland Raiders, we play Pittsburgh. We host Pittsburgh. I don't know who I want to go. The Raiders. Remember that. Y'all already know what it is. Holla at your boy. Trizzle Prizzle.